Winter is coming. Fires can happen. And this is the Xsense smoke alarm system. This is a Wi-Fi compatible smoke alarm system, and we're going to unbox it and hang up a couple of these smoke alarms and just talk about why it's important to have these. So the great thing about this is it does have an instruction manual, so if you need that, it's there. But these are Wi-Fi compatible, so if something happens, you're going to see it on your phone. Also, you can subscribe on the app and it'll automatically call the local fire department to come. Now, let's say your Wi-Fi goes out. No worries, because the alarms are still going to go off. You just aren't going to get that notification on your phone because the power would be out or whatever. But this actually this pack that we have comes with around 5 of these little, I call them satellites, but they're the actual detectors. And then there's a base that we put in our living room, so the base will kind of update us as we're sitting there, and it connects everything together, and then there you got it. You got a whole system. Each one of these comes with a little battery. The battery is included. The base actually plugs in. Sounds like a normal smoke alarm to me. They're loud. If one goes off, they're all going to go off, so it doesn't matter where you are in your house. You're gonna hear these. I would hope. Well, on the right we have the app, and you can kind of follow along with that if you want and see how you kind of set that up. It's super simple. It pretty much requires you to tap a button twice and connect it. You change the name for what room your smoke alarm is, and that's about it. And we got all of ours all set up, and it gives me that peace of mind for sure. Check these out.